A hidden rule destroyed years of stability. For 11 years, Marcus believed he had finally beaten the odds. He owned a modest townhouse in a quiet American suburb, paid his HOA fees on time, kept his lawn trimmed, waved at neighbors every morning. After growing up bouncing between apartments, stability wasn't just comfort to him, it was survival. This place was proof that consistency could be earned. Then one envelope appeared in his mailbox. It wasn't marked urgent. No red stamp, just another HOA notice. Marcus skimmed it while standing in the kitchen, coffee cooling in his hand. Halfway through, he stopped breathing. According to a previously unenforced bylaw, his home was now in violation. The rule had existed for over 15 years, buried deep in the association's original documents. It limited how long a property could be continuously occupied by the same owner without structural reassessment. Structural reassessment sounded harmless, until he reached the final paragraph. Failure to comply within 60 days would result in mandatory vacating and reassignment of the unit under community compliance standards. Marcus laughed out loud at first. It had to be a mistake. It wasn't. At the emergency HOA meeting, the board sat stiff and distant. One woman avoided eye contact. Another kept repeating, "We're just following policy." When Marcus asked why this rule had never been enforced before, the room went quiet. Finally, the HOA president spoke. "The neighborhood is changing. We need flexibility." That word, flexibility, landed like an insult. Over the next weeks, Marcus learned the truth. A developer had quietly partnered with the HOA, long-term. Residents were being flagged under obscure rules, while newer owners and short-term renters were untouched. Stability wasn't valued anymore. Turnover was. Marcus hired a lawyer, but legal battles take time, and time was exactly what the rule denied him. Neighbors started acting differently. Some were sympathetic but scared. Others avoided him entirely, afraid attention might shift to their homes next. The night before his deadline, Marcus sat on the floor of his empty living room. Every wall held memories, birthdays, late-night talks, quiet mornings that felt safe, all erased by a rule no one had ever mentioned. He moved out. 6 months later, his former home appeared online, listed as a premium flexible residency unit for triple the cost. The hidden rule didn't just take his house. It taught him something far worse. Stability doesn't always collapse loudly. Sometimes it's quietly rewritten until you're the only one left standing in the ruins.